Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Do you actually know if your panels are clean, or are you assuming because it was on the weather app? That assumption is one of the fastest ways to lose yield without realizing it. Rain feels like a natural cleaning event, but it often isn't. Light rain can move dust around instead of removing it. In some cases, it just creates streaks, dries unevenly, and leaves the same soiling problem in place. Without data, most teams end up making one of two mistakes. They overclean, which wastes water and labor, or they underclean, which leaves soiling losses sitting on the table. Neither is a managed decision, and both cost money. That's where ClearSpot's soiling agents change the process. They track soiling index continuously, so the system doesn't just know that it rained, it knows what happened to the panels before and after the event. After any precipitation event, the agent runs a before and after comparison and asks one direct question: did this rain event meaningfully reset your soiling levels? If yes, no action is needed. If no, a cleaning recommendation is flagged. The decision is based on the actual state of the array, not on the assumption that weather automatically solved the problem. Imagine two sites both get the same rain event. At Site A, the soiling index drops meaningfully, output recovers, and the panels are effectively reset. At Site B, the rain was too light to matter. Dust moved, but it didn't leave, and the soiling index stays elevated. With ClearSpot, they are treated according to evidence, which means no unnecessary cleaning on Site A and no delayed cleaning on Site B. The savings compound in two directions. Every unnecessary cleaning pass avoided is direct OPEX, saved meaning less water, less labor, less vehicle use, and less wear on cleaning equipment. Every cleaning pass deployed at the right time recovers yield that would otherwise stay on the glass. That's why this is not just a maintenance decision, it's a revenue decision. ClearSpot agents help you avoid wasting money on unnecessary work, while also making sure you don't leave performance on the table. A lot of teams rely on weather data as a proxy for cleaning effectiveness, but weather only tells you that precipitation occurred. It doesn't tell you whether the surface actually improved. Different sites behave differently, so the only way to know is to measure the outcome. ClearSpot turns weather into a decision variable, not a decision rule. So instead of asking, "Did it rain?" the better question becomes, "Did the rain meaningfully change soiling levels?" Operational workflow shows soiling data collected rain event, detected comparison run, and recommendation generated. Here's how the workflow works. First, ClearSpot tracks soiling continuously across the site. Second, a precipitation event is detected. Third, the agent compares pre-rain and post-rain conditions to see whether the soiling index actually dropped enough to matter. Fourth, the system produces a recommendation. If the rain reset the site, the recommendation is to hold off on cleaning. If the rain did not reset the site, the recommendation includes a cleaning flag and the revenue at stake. That makes the decision easy to explain internally. Operations sees why cleaning is needed. Finance sees why the timing matters. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.